Hi friends, welcome to www.smartkitprojects.com. As you can see, the name of this project is Android Home Automation in the LCD. Now here, I'll show you what are the components that we have used to make this project. As you can see here, this is simple Android phone. These are relays and connectors. This is LED lights. This is LCD. This is a 8051 microcontroller over here. This is a Bluetooth module. And this is a power supply area over here. Now I'll show you how the project works. For an example, now this is connected to this Bluetooth module. The app is connected to the Bluetooth module. Now these are loads. Suppose for an example, if I want to turn on the load number 1, so I'll just press 1 and send. Now as you can see, the load 1 is turned on. Now again, if I want to turn off the load 1, again I'll press 1 and send it. Now as you can see, the load 1 is off and it will display the message in the LCD as well as on your app. Now again, if I want to turn on the area load 2, I'll just press 2. See, the load 2 is just on. Now again, if I want to turn off the load 2, I'll press 2 and as you can see, the load 2 is off. Now same goes with the other loads. Now 3, I'll just press 3 to turn on the load 3 and again 3 to turn off the load 3. Here it is. And same goes with the load 4. Now again, if I press load 4, it gets turned off, and 4, it gets turned off. Now suppose if I want to turn on the entire loads, like if I want to turn on the 4 loads simultaneously, I'll just press 9 and send. So here you can see the all 4 loads have been turned on. Now again, if I press 0, all the 4 loads will get turned off simultaneously and the message will be displayed in the LCD as well as on your Android application. So this was a simple demonstration of how the Android based home automation works. This you can attach it with your circuit and you can control your fan, TV and anything you want. So a warm welcome. Thank you for watching the video first and warm welcome from www.smartkitprojects.com. Please subscribe us. Thank you.